Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to find out the area of a polygon. Whenever we have a polygon, we have to break that polygon into the smaller shapes like a square, rectangle, triangle or a trapezium. You can see on the board three different polygons. We will find out the area of these polygons by dividing them into the triangles. So let's understand one by one how we can calculate the area of each polygon when we will divide them into the triangles. Here you can see I have already divided the polygons into the triangles. So what we have to do, if we have to calculate the area of polygon, we have to count how many triangles are there. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 triangles. Now all the triangles have the equal area. So if we will find the area for one triangle, all the triangles will have the same area. So what we can do number of triangles times the area of a triangle. So 1 by 2 into base into height, which is the formula for the area of a triangle, will do is equals to 6 times 1 by 2. The base value is 9. We'll write down 9 here. The height is 7.79. We'll write down here. Now we will simplify. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now we have the numbers 3 times 9 times 7.79. So when we will multiply it, we'll get the answer equals to 210.33 square units. Now similarly, in the next one, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. So if I have to find out the area of polygon is equals to, I'll multiply the area with 5 because we have 5 triangles. So we'll do 1 by 2 into base into height. The value for the base is equals to 14.4 into 9.91. So when you will solve all this, you will get the answer equals to 356.76 square units. Now similarly, in the last part, we have to count the number of the triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means area of polygon is equals to 7 times area of a triangle, which is equals to 7 times 1 by 2 into the value for the base is 11 and the value for the height is 11.42. And when we will solve all this, we'll get the answer equals to 439.67 square units. So this is how you can calculate the area of the polygons if you can divide them into the equal triangles. For more such videos, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel link with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.